The past few years have changed how we charge our devices. With the introduction of gallium nitride chargers having a more efficient design at almost half the size of silicon-based chargers, we can pack more into one charger. And let's not forget that some manufacturers have stopped shipping chargers with new devices. This 100 watt charger from IZHOI has 4 ports compared to just one on my 65 watt laptop charger. It has a higher output power and is also smaller. Check out the link in the description if you want one. This is what we call a desktop charger. Much like a PC, this sits on the desk and provides power from multiple outputs. We can call it a charging hub. Unboxing the unit, you'll find that it only comes with the power cable. It's got a sleek design and it feels really sturdy in the hand. On the bottom it has rubber feet to keep it from moving about on the table, and it also has the output specifications. On the back is where the power goes in, and it'll provide the 100 watts it needs. On the top it has an LED display which displays the power measurements in real time when you plug in a device to charge. The display is easy on the eyes in dark and also in lit environments. On the front it has 2 USB-C ports as well as 2 USB-A ports. Both USB-Cs are capable of 100 watts each, while the USB-A ports have 18 watts fast charging. Here's a guide showing the outputs when there are multiple devices connected. Keep in mind that this charger only has a maximum power output of 100 watts. So while you can't charge 4 devices at the same time, it will share the 100 watts between them. You can see when I plug in my phone, it changes the power output to my laptop. And it also does the same when I plug in another device to charge. The charger will change the output automatically. So similarly, when I unplug a device, it increases the charging to my phone. It's a really neat charger that sits on my desk and I can charge multiple devices with it, including my laptop. The charger automatically alters the power output depending on what you've got plugged in. So I can leave my devices plugged in, and when they finish charging, it's going to stop charging them. With this charger, I can confidently leave all my devices plugged in, and when I need them, I can unplug them. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.